गजाननं मकर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तं उपास्महे. Lord Sri Vagradunda Ganapati may bless you all. It is my pleasure to meet you all through Sri Subhaswaram Ayyappan Spiritual TV on the third day of Vinayaka Vradam or the Pillayar Kathai. It is widely known this fasting as Pillayar Kathai. Rather, it has a name, Vinayaka Vradam. In a way, it is stated in the scriptures, in the Shastram, Vinayaka Vradam. Why do we Tamil people say it as Pillayar Kathai? As you all know, the temples are the temples hold the centric position of a society. In the earlier era, temples are the places where people get together and they praise the Lord. A person who was doing the pravachanam, that is the narration about the significance of the God. So that is what they got all the spiritual information through the tales, through the stories. That is why it is called as Pillayar Kathai, then stated as Vinayaka Vradam in the scriptures. So that is one. We have gone up to Tirukappu. We have seen the Srapupayam, the preface, as well as the Kappu. There is another part of praising Ganapati. It is a further more praises from the poet Bharata Pandita, Vinayaka Stuti, the way of praising Vinayaka. That starts with Tiruvakkum Sri Karamam Kaikootum. It is not actually written, it was not written by Bharata Pandita. The Tiruvakkum Sri Karamam Kaikootum, this belongs to the 11th Tirumurai. As you all know about the Tirumurais. This belongs to 11th Tirumurai. Kapila Nayanar is the one who made that 11th Tirumurai. There is one of the part of the 11th Tirumurai. This is called as Thiru Irattai Manimalai, double crystal garland. We can say double crystal garland. Thiru Irattai Manimalai. Thiru is the name which gives more respect to the, as you all know, that is the tradition of adding the word Thiru with Tirumadi, Tirumahan. Likewise, as you all know, there is the way of giving the respect to the people among the Tamil community. So, Thiru Irattai Manimalai, double crystal garland. So, Kapila Munivar, this is called Mutta Nayanar Padigam. Mutta Nayanar denotes Ganapati. Mutta, elder. Who is the elder? Mutta Nayanar Padigam. Tiruvakkum Sri Karamam Kaikootum Senjol Peruvakkum Peedam Perukkum Uruvakkum Madalal Vanorum Ane Mugattane Katalal Uppuvarkam Kai. This is actually talking about the way of praising Lord Ganapati. Here, the Kapila Nayanar stated, Vanorum Ane Mugattane Katalal Uppuvarkam Kai. The Devas, they all praising Ganapati. As I told you in my previous episodes, Parameshwara Lord Shiva praised Ganapati, Rudran praised Lord Ganapati, Sri Raman praised Lord Ganapati, Sri Krishna Paramatma praised Lord Ganapati. So all the Devas, they praised Ganapati. So this indirectly gives you the meaning of up to the level Devas, they all are praising Ganapati in the sense all the human beings, all the creatures, human beings, they are praising Lord Ganapati. Tiruvakkum Sri Karamam Kaikootum. So as you all know, I told earlier, Vignarajar, Vigneshwar, Vignadhyakshar, three different forms of Ganapati who protects from us from the obstacles all the way coming from the earth, Parthivam, from the sky, Akasham, from the heaven, Antariksham. So, when you start an action, you might praise Lord Ganapati, Tiruvakkum, Seigarmam Kaikootum. So, due to the praises given to Ganapati, that action will be moved further without any burdens, without any obstacles. Tiruvakkum, Seigarmam. Tiruvakkum means the proficiency of the person. Tiruvakkum, Seigarmam. If I say something that could happen, so that is one kind of proficiency. So, Tiruvakkum, Seigarmam, Kaikootum, Senjol Peruvakkum, Freedom. Freedom means pride, one's pride. So, if you are praising Ganapati, your pride will go to the top. Ganapati is the eldest Mukta Vinayagar, Mukta Nayanar, Mukta Vinayagar Thiruvirattai Manimale. Kapila Nayanar, who said about this, if you praise Ganapati every day, your pride goes to the top. Freedom, Perukkum, Uruvakkum, the one who creates everything, the one who operates everything. Uruvakkum, Adalal Vanorum, the Devadas, the people from the Swargam, the people from the heaven, they all are praising Ganapati. So all are praising the Ganapati. Kadalal Kupuvar Tamgai. Adalal Vanorum, Ane Muhattane, the one who has the elephant header. God, all they praise Ganapati, Kadalal Kupuvar Tamgai, with the lovable, with the belonging to Ganapati. Ottrayani Maruppum, Orirendu Kaithalamum, Ottrayani Maruppum. As you all know, Ganapati, the tusk, you know that elephant has two tusks. Ganesha holds one tusk in the hand, right hand, one is in the position. So, Ottrayani, one who won in the place, one who remains the task. Second one who holds in the hand. Ottrayani Maruppum, Orirendu Kaithalamum. Orirendu means 1 into 2. Kaithalam, hands. One Orirendu Kaithalamum. Vetri Punainda Vilimundrum. Ganesha has 3 eyes. That is, as you all know. So, Lord Shiva has the 3 eyes. Subramanya has the 3 eyes. Likewise, so Ganapati, Ganesha also has 3 eyes. Ottrayani Maruppum, Orirendu Kaithalamum, Vetri Punainda Vilimundrum. On that, all 3 eyes, right? It has its own pride with this victory, victorious over the evil power. Vetri Punainda Vilimundrum, Petradoru Tandaikal Varanattai. Varanat means elephant header. Petradoru Tandaikal Varanattai. If you praise the God who has the elephant face, Tanmanadil, you have to praise in your mind. Tanmanathil, Eppoludum Kondakal Bharadu Kutru. Kutru means the fear of death, or the god of death. Kutru, Kutruvan, Kutru. So you won't get the fear of death, right? You are not scared about the death if you praise the Lord Ganapati in your mind. That is about the Vinayagar Stuti. As I told you, this is from the 11th Tirumurai made by Kapila Nayanar. It's called Thiruvirattai Manimalai. Then again we start with the Pillai Katha. The story starts with Sappani, where Bharata Pandita requested Ganesha to sit down in the position of lotus pose. Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana. Cross-legged posture. Sapani, that is called Sapani. If someone comes home, first of all you might tell them, take your seat please, have a seat. Likewise you are welcoming them. Your hospitality starts with giving them a seat to be seated. While Varada Pandita also start in the same way, requesting Ganapati to sit in the cross-legged posture, that is the Padmasana, lotus pose. Ellupuridhen aval appamikkum payaram ilaniram. They are requesting Ganesha to sit in the cross-legged posture. What I am going to give you, what I am going to offer, Ellupuridhen. See, same that sweet ball, sesame balls, Ellupuri, ten, honey, aval, rice flakes, appamikkum, that hopper, as you all know about that milk hopper, appamikkum, payarum, ilaniram. I give you young coconut, as well as the green grain, vallikkilangu, sweet potato, mambalamum, mango, vaalaippalamum, banana, palappalamum, jackfruit, vellaipalum. It is an adjective added with vellaipalum. Pal, that is milk, is all the way white, but he is saying vellaipal. It is an adjective giving more purification about the milk. Vellaipalum, modagamum, as you all know the way how to create the modagam. Modagam denotes Ganapati. Ganapati has certain ways of praising, as you all know, Dorpu Karanam, Kutti, that knocking in your forehead, that is Kuttanam, Torpi Karanam. While Ganesha has a very specific Naivedyam, it's Modagam. Modagamam Virimbippadaten. I admired and I offered you to in your Sannidhigal, in your place, in your temple. Kollai Karunai Ganapatiye. Ganapati has more belonging to his devotees. Ganapatiye Kotti Arulga Sappani. You please sit in a lotus posture. This is Varada Pandita requested Ganesha to sit in the lotus posture, right, to having all the offering given by Varada Pandita. We will continue further on the following days, as today is the third day of Vinayagar Bradam, that is the Pillayar Parangade. There are about numerous feedbacks coming all the way from WhatsApp. So it's my humble request you all can post your comments through the YouTube channel, Sri Subhaswaram YouTube channel, through the comments section. Lord Sri Vajradhara Ganapati may bless you all. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavante, Samastadan Mangalani Bhavante.